Want to delete the table without deleting the text? Don't do it manually or don't retype the entire table. Instead, do this. I'm going to show you 3 different ways by which you can remove any table without deleting the text. Let's start with the method 1, the most common and the reliable method. Click anywhere inside the table, go to table layout, and on the right side in the data section, click convert to text. In the pop-up window, select how you want to separate the columns. Select as per your need, click OK, and boom, table is gone and you have only the text. Method 2. If you want to do this regularly, there is one more shortcut, and the shortcut is method 2. Click anywhere inside the table, press Alt, J, L, and V. This will again open a new window where you can specify how you want to separate the columns. Now you can use up arrow or down arrow to select paragraph, text, comma, or any other character that you want to use to separate the columns. Once it is done, press enter and the table will be converted to text. Coming to the method 3. If you are not 100% sure that you want to delete the table forever, then use this reversible trick. Select the entire table by clicking on this symbol on the top left corner. Go to table design. Click borders and then select no borders. So it will be a table, but we don't see the border. So the next time if you want to again convert this text to table, you don't have to repeat the entire procedure. You can simply click anywhere on this text, then you will see this symbol to select the entire table. Then again you can go to table design. In borders you can select all borders. So this is a reversible way. You don't delete a table, basically you hide a table border. The table remains there, but it doesn't look like a table. So these are the 3 different ways by which you can delete a table in Microsoft Word without deleting the text. If you feel that this video helped you, please let us know in the comments or hit the thumbs up symbol. YouTube pushes video that help people, and subscribe for more such videos like this and hit the bell notification icon if you want to get notified whenever we publish some tips and tricks like this.